Before I begin, this is a really quick reminder that this is a summary video. It is not designed to give you everything you need, nor is it designed to go nearly as in-depth as you probably need. This is designed to get you through if you missed the lesson, or to just refresh your memory from what we talked about yesterday. Today what we're going to be talking about is measurements. Measurements of both segments and angles. The important thing to remember with both of these is that the sum of the pieces equal the whole. Okay? So if I have a segment or an angle and I break it up into pieces and I add up the measurements of all the pieces, that will equal what I started with. Okay? So looking at this example, this is a segment. Unlike lines and rays, I've got two endpoints. And if this whole thing is 16 units long, and I say that this piece of it is 9 units long, the whole thing is 16, this piece of it is 9, left over is 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. Or, to solve, 16 minus 9 is 7. The pieces are all as big as the whole. Alright. With angles, now the important thing to remember with angles is that angle measurement is not measured by how long these pieces are. Those two angles are exactly the same. The original small one and the extended one. Angles are measured by how open the angle is. So this would be like a very, very small angle. And then it gets bigger as it goes. Okay? So very, very wide angle, very, very small angle. We measure angles in degrees. Right? If this angle is 32 and I tell you the whole piece is 60, then I can solve for x. 60 minus 32 is 28. Okay? So, the sum of the pieces equal the whole. Again, if you want everything, you need to come to the Google Meet. I'm already over 2 minutes. I'll see you online.